Gotta have that every day. Every morning. Good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick brow. If you're like me and you have these thin eyebrows, because over the years stylists have thinned them out, I'm going to try to thicken them. By the way, I'm PINKFANFUR. So we're going to be using gel, eyeliner, spatula, a little bit of 3D eyelash glue, spoolie, yes, eyebrow pencil, sharpener, liquid gel brush applicator, and then finally we're going to clean up our eyebrows and under eyebrows with concealer and a flat brush. By no means am I an expert at this. I've already put my eyeliner on and put a little bit of dab on my face. I'm going to start off with a little bit of this eyelash glue. Just going to take a little bit of eyelash glue. Don't need a lot because it's super black, and usually you can use clear if you want, but notice that, excuse me, over the years these salons have pretty much taken all my brows when I ask them please not to bald me up, okay? You know, that's what happens when you go to these salons. You're just gonna brush that out a little bit. Just gonna brush it out. See, it's super thin. I actually was not, growing up, my eyebrows were pretty thick. If I have to picture, I'll show it to you. I'm just gonna, okay. That's where you take your sharpened pencil. Make sure it's super sharp. This one's actually more gel than anything, so it's gonna get as sharp as it's gonna get, but there's times when you can use this one very sharp. Well, we can take this one here because it's all very sharp. They're not going to be alike because they're not twins, but as close as possible. Just outlining. Outline drawing basically, like me, have the eyebrows. Okay, lots of eyebrow pencil. So we need to lick. Keep saying liquid, but it's actually gel. Gel eyebrow pomade. Flatten it out a little bit. Take our brush, flat. It's gonna be like painting. Take this point should be going this way. but let's just move to fix that. It's all about a delusion anyway, right? All about an illusion. No point your right lights. Fix it. Me. I not like that. Filthy ones. Not all of us were born with nice bushy. I think back in the day, those bushy eyebrows weren't even a thing. Like, they're a thing. In my day, they were not a thing, and so basically cut mine off early in life. And I go back and I said, dang, I wish I would have kept my eyebrows, damn it. Oops. We're going to clean those up in the next video, so stay tuned to that. As I indicated, I am not an expert at this by no means, but on our channel, we practice, and we practice. So that's not perfect, but well, that looks crazy. Probably gonna have to do this over. No, not gonna work. Stay tuned. We'll redo.